Alright, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Out here in the creek today. It is actually up quite a bit from last few times I fished it. We got a lot of rain. I thought it'd be all the way back down to normal, but it's still up pretty good, so that means it's probably dropping really good. And don't know if I'll be able to catch much today, but I got the bird lure out. We're gonna see if we can get something to eat that thing. I don't know if we'll be able to or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go. If not, I got another rod on my back with a little dark sleeper swim bait on it. I'll throw that around if that don't work. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I walked a long way already. If that don't work, I'll probably throw on a spinnerbait or something in this water that's a little bit higher and kind of dirty. So we will figure something out and hopefully catch a fish today for you guys, but I'm really gonna try this bird lure out, see if we can't get one to commit to it. But stick around, we'll see what we can get into. Way different water conditions than I've fished in a while. Everything's been low, so I'm finally getting the fish a little bit stained water. So let's see what happens. So here's this bird lure. Got two big wings on it, and it kind of just waddles back and forth in the water like that. It makes a bunch of noise. So if something smacks this thing, it's probably gonna be a pretty good fish. There's definitely a lot better lure to be using right now than this bird, but I really just want to catch something on this thing for you guys. It's snagged up a lot on itself. I don't like that. It's like every other cast. I think it's wrapped around its feet or hook or something. Alright. Try to swim bait out for a minute. Not really the ideal water conditions for that. Definitely find a big one to hit it probably, but I'm not too sure about it. When the water's up like this, there's a lot more room for these fish to go. Oh, there's one on the bird. Oh, it's a little guy. First fish on the bird, baby. Let's go. Destroyed it too. Little squeaker. First bird fish. I love it. You hit it hard. That's for sure. Alright, that gives me a little confidence. I don't see why not. Oh, just missed one, guys. Didn't really let him eat it, but he hit it. Didn't really explode on it either, he just kind of ate it off the surface. Both the wings are bent out already. That's not good. This lure is not going to last long. But maybe we can get one big one on it before it breaks all the way. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh. Not real big, but man, he hit it like he was a giant. Oh my god, look at these wings, guys. They just bend out. Well, I'm gonna try to use this as long as I can. But these things keep bending like this. It ain't gonna last very long. Jeez, that thing hit it like a train. This rod's a little, power's a little low for this jig, but I think we'll be able to manage with it. Should have grabbed my other rod. I knew the water was going to be up a little. Oh well. Just got to make do with what you got. The largemouth ate the jig. Little bitty largie. Big smallie right here in front of me. Oh my God. They wanted it so bad too. Dang it, that was a good smallie. All right, we finally found some good fish. I've seen them swimming around out here. We got to break out the big swim bait. This rod's a little light for it, and this current might be a little too much, but we got to give it a try at least. Oh my God. Oh my God. First cast. Stop. Oh. Guys, I've been fishing this whole time with other lures, jigs, and all that. And nothing. I throw this out, I watch this thing just absolutely annihilate it. Are you kidding me? Yes, sir. Look at that. What do you know about it? Insane, man. Insane. All right, y'all, we're out here doinking them. In the creek, baby. Creek, baby. All right, y'all, we're out here doinking them. Let's do that a few more times, huh? I mean, absolutely hammered it. Usually this water, guys, is super, super clear. Well, it's a little dirty now, so these fish are really gonna smack this thing. I was just burning it along through here and I watched that fish hit it. Well, we're gonna keep this out for a little while after that. We're actually gonna go throw this bird lure right up here. I'm gonna come back and grab my stuff. Oh my God. Holy hell. Did you guys hear that? Oh my God. That was a 20-inch fish at least. Easy. We are not done with this bird lure. I am going to throw around this swim bait a little more, but after that, we are getting this thing back out. Absolutely. Holy cow. That was a mega giant. I got one. Oh my God, it's a big fish. Hear that line screaming? Oh. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, terrible landing job. But we got him. Oh my God, he wasn't going nowhere. I thought he was barely hooked. Holy cow. We're gonna have to get some pictures of this one. About 18 and a half. About 18 and a half. There we go. That's why we're out here, baby. Nice 18 and a half inch chunk. Whew. That is what we're out here doing this for, is eats and fish like that. That could have been the one that blew up on it. He looked kind of dark like that. And that fish hit it. That fish hit it and I felt him smack it. The current's moving so strong I thought I didn't have him hooked. And there was just still tension on the line. He just held it, man. It was crazy. I got a hook in my backpack. This water is a lot more clear. Right around here. Quite a bit clear. Everything else I've been fishing. Oh, I just broke off on a giant. There he is with my lure. On a giant. He just jumped with my lure. No. I just broke off one of my best lures. Oh, God, that was a big fish. Man, I don't know where he went. You guys see him jump on my lure? Dang it. I haven't used this reel very much. I got some older line on it. And that's what happens. God dang it. I ain't too mad about losing the fish. I'm mad about losing that lure. I got another mag slow with me, but it ain't swimming as good as that one was. You guys know that wasn't my knot either. You heard my line just absolutely pop. My line snapped. It wasn't my knot coming undone or anything. Let's see if the mag slow can get it done. Oh, there was a couple good ones looking right at it. I think there's a mega giant right here. If that's a smallie, I can't tell what it is. If that's a smallie. There's a little bit smaller of a one. And there's one that's just in a freaking tank, man. Okay, don't have a ton of time. So we're gonna make a couple casts here, then we're gonna get going, throw this bird lure for a good while until I get back down to where I'm seeing some other really big fish. Then might get the mag slow back out. There's probably fish up in that tree, in that current. Hopefully this low light right here, I can smack one. wishful thinking at least. Oh, yep, got him on the bird, on the bird. Oh, he's a good one. He got me out in the current. Not a giant, but he will do on the bird. Look at that. I'm gonna snag a picture with him. Alrighty. Doinked a nice little 16, 17 incher on the bird. He is ready to go. Alright, let's get our stuff put back up. Alright, that was all the time I had for today, guys. I actually ran out of daylight there. Back at home now. It's been a few days since I went fishing out there, but really good day. That bird honestly had a lot better action and made a lot bigger of like a ruckus on the surface, I guess you could say. And drove those smallies pretty crazy. Water was not real ideal because it was still dropping a lot. And those fish don't usually bite too well when the water's dropping real fast. I was able to wade up like pretty dang far though and find some water that was a little bit clearer. And it might not have been dropping as quick up there, I don't know. Because there was like some elevation change in that creek kind of. But I ended up right where I started getting to that little bit of a clearer water. That's right where I hammered a few of those big ones there. And then on the way back down, hit that one with the bird too. But yeah, monster explosion on that bird. Lure works good, it just ain't gonna last very long because those little metal tabs on those wings were bending like very easily. If I just set the hook in the water, would push them and bend them back. So, but yeah, all in all, pretty good session there. I will be getting out again here probably the next 2 days, so should be some more videos coming. I hope you guys enjoyed this little creek session here. And of course, that mag slow and mag draft always gets it done. The mag slow didn't do too well that day, but the mag draft did until I freaking broke it off. But just went to the store, bought some new ones, so I'll be throwing them in the next video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to sub down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.